of the last 24 hours. Powered by Yiddish24, provided to you by the Kleegr.
Good morning, today is Thursday, and it's Tes Uda Tufshin Paivuv on Edge. My name is Gershy Schwarcz, and I'm your host on Edge. We have a lot to say, we have a lot to talk about, so let's jump right to it, and there's a surprise waiting for you, so yeah. The United States has launched a massive investigation after the Cuban government killed 4 people and injured 6 others on a boat from Florida. The shooting happened on Wednesday morning, yesterday, in the water near Cuba. Reports say a speedboat with a Florida registration was about a mile off the coast when Cuban border guards approached it. The Cuban government claims the people on the boat started shooting first and injured a Cuban commander. The border guards then shot back, killing 4 people on the boat. Secretary of State Marco Rubio said the United States is not going to just take the word of the Cuban government and will find out the facts for itself. The president of Cuba, Miguel Diaz-Canel, is responding sharply. He said on Thursday that his country will defend itself against any aggression. He is also blaming American sanctions for the hard times the island is facing right now. Cuba claims the people on the boat were armed exiles who were trying to sneak onto the island and carry out attacks. They say they found rifles and explosives on the boat. Well, Cuba is like, we're gonna shoot first and then blame America later. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that's what his name is, Prime Minister Modi from India visited Israel yesterday. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu welcomed him warmly, and the 2 leaders visited the Yad Vashem Holocaust Museum in Jerusalem. We reported it yesterday already. The 2 countries signed 16 major agreements to work together on security, diplomacy, and the economy. Prime Minister Modi says India and Israel have had reliable defense partnerships for decades already. Modi says together we will move forward in the direction of joint development and joint production and transfer of technology. Along with this, we will also increase cooperation in fields like civil, nuclear, energy, and space. Space meaning, the atmosphere. During his visit, Modi showed his support by claiming to be one of the lost tribes, and he also announced Am Yisrael Chai. Later on, Prime Minister Netanyahu surprised his guest by coming to the dinner dressed in traditional Indian clothing. Purim in India, I guess. It started earlier. Interesting. Anyway, let's talk about Protobyte, which is very interesting if you haven't yet reached out to them. 347-354-1237. Now, why haven't you yet reached out to them? You know your system, you need a good program for your business. You know you need a good program designer for your business. So call 347-354-1237. Details are right over here below, and as you can see, Protobyte has helped many people. Try my website, onedgenews.com. That's just a very basic website. That's not what they specialize in that, making beautiful websites very fast, but they specialize in very complex systems. Okay, let's talk about the next thing. United States of America and Iran are holding their 3rd round of indirect talks today in Geneva, Switzerland. Is it the 3rd round? Yes, it's the 3rd round, because officially there was another round, for those who remember, back before the 12-day war. Okay, now, so the 2 sides are passing messages through mediators from Oman. The mediators say both countries are open to new and creative ideas. Creative, huh? The head of the International Atomic Energy Agency, Rafael Grossi, is also participating. Reports say the talks took a brief break earlier today. At the White House, Vice President J.D. Vance made the American position very clear. He said the principle is very simple. Iran cannot have a nuclear weapon. J.D. Vance says the government has clear evidence that Iran has been trying to rebuild its nuclear program after American and Israeli airstrikes destroyed key sites last June. He added that President Donald J. Trump prefers diplomacy but has other options ready on the table. The situation remains very tense. Reports say the Hezbollah terror group in Lebanon is preparing for a possible United States military strike on Iran within the next 72 hours. According to reports, the United States has given Iran a strict list of 5 demands. First, the complete destruction of the major nuclear sites in Fordow, Natanz, and Isfahan. Second, Iran must hand over all of its enriched uranium to the United States. Third, a permanent ban on enriching uranium. 0. Now, fourth, a small exception for 1 reactor in Tehran to make medical supplies. And fifth, only a small amount of sanctions relief at the beginning, with more given later only if Iran follows all the rules. For their part, Iranian officials say they hope the talks will focus on the nuclear issues and lifting sanctions. Meanwhile, political commander Tucker Carlson is publicly blaming Israel for the tension. Carlson said, Tucker, everybody knows the only reason we're having this war is because Israel wants it. Now, President Trump held a phone call today with Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky. The two leaders spoke before the talks in Geneva between the United States and Ukraine happened. Now, I guess it's also happening there. The federal government is stopping hundreds of millions of dollars in healthcare funding from going to the state of Minnesota. Listen to this. Vice President J.D. Vance and Dr. Mehmet Oz and the head of the federal Medicare and Medicaid programs made the announcement on Wednesday. They said the government is temporarily freezing nearly $260 million in Medicaid funding for the state of Minnesota. Vice President J.D. Vance said this is part of President Donald J. Trump's new effort to stop fraud. The administration says Minnesota has major problems with people stealing from government social programs. Dr. Oz says the federal government will hold the money until Minnesota creates a strict plan to fix the issue. Well, Vance says the action was taken to make sure the state is a good manager of the American people's taxpayer money. Dr. Oz added that the problem is not within the people of Minnesota, but within the state's leadership, like Minnesota Governor Tim Walz. Tim Walz, the governor, is responding very sharply. He says the funding freeze has nothing to do with fraud, and he has accused the federal government of punishing his state. Walz warned, Tim Walz, that holding back the money will hurt veterans, children, and disabled people. We will talk about welfare fraud videos made by Tyler Oliveira, I think his name is. Tyler Oliveira? Yeah, Oliveira. Anyway. Point is, we'll talk about it later on. Something very interesting for you to hear. Now, during his visit in China, who am I talking about? Chancellor Friedrich Merz said that China has become a major global power and must be included in solving the world's political problems. He pointed out that Chinese leaders have a strong influence over Russia and that their voice is heard clearly in Moscow. Speaking of China, reports say Washington is concerned that fighting Iran will use up too much American ammunition and missiles defense systems. Officials fear this could give China a clear and perfect opportunity to launch a military strike against Taiwan. At the same time, the Chinese military is already testing new ways to cause confusion in the sky. Listen to this. Reports say China has been flying massive military drones over South China Sea, but they are hiding what these drones are really. What it really is. The drone is sending out fake electronic signals to confuse Adalayuda, to make it look like civilian cargo planes or foreign fighter jets are flying flying in the sky. Security experts say China is practicing these tricks so they can confuse the United States and its allies during a future war over Taiwan, which they're very well and hard, at work, basically planning to do, in other words. Yeah. Speaking of never trusting something that is made in China, unlike Friedrich Merz says, the federal government has arrested a former United States Air Force pilot for training the Chinese military. 65-year-old Gerald Brown was arrested in Indiana. Brown is a former major who served in the Air Force for 24 years now, where he flew fighter jets and led combat missions. Secret combat missions, that is, yes. Brown traveled to China to teach their military pilots how to fly combat aircrafts, including the F-35. Back to Israel. It was a dangerous morning on the roads in southern Israel today. Within just 2 hours, 3 separate bus crashes left 37 people injured, including many IDF soldiers. The first crash happened on the highway 40 near Mitzpeh Ramon. A bus carried soldiers to their base, flipped over on the side of the road, and an army doctor was at the scene and said that one of the front tires blew out. 21 people were injured in that crash, and helicopters flew 2 of them to the hospital. A short time later, a second crash happened near Nevatim Junction. A bus and a car collided, injuring 11 people. Several of the victims were also soldiers, and firefighters had to rescue one person who was trapped inside the car. Then a third crash happened near Ruchama when a truck and a bus collided. 5 more people were injured. Rescue workers from Magen David Adom worked quickly to treat the victims and rushed them to local hospitals. Police are now investigating what exactly caused all 3 accidents to happen at the same time. Rabbi Isai, the computer chip maker NVIDIA just released the latest financial numbers showing record sales that beat all expectations. The strong report is helping to stop worries that artificial intelligence, AI, the AI industry, might be slowing them down. The same technology is now heading into more pockets. Obviously, Samsung just revealed new Galaxy S26 series smartphones. This new smartphone features an upgraded artificial intelligence tool, and a special built-in screen that stops people sitting next to you from reading into your messages, into your phone. While Samsung focuses on what's in your hand, the ride-sharing company Uber is basically looking up at the sky for new innovation. Uber just added a new feature to its app that will let users book electric flying taxis, electric air taxis they call it. The flying taxi service is set to launch in Dubai later this year and will fly passengers right over the city traffic at speeds up to 200 miles per hour. Back on the ground in New York, American Express is busy expanding. Listen to this. The credit card company announced plans to build a massive 55-story skyscraper in Lower Manhattan. The new tower will serve as their global headquarters and will be the final commercial building to go up at the World Trade Center site. Researchers at Kyoto University in Japan just revealed a new walking, talking robot that they call Buddharoid. It's based on Buddhism, I guess. The machine is dressed in a grey robe and does not have a face. It is programmed to walk around, bow, and make traditional hand gestures. The robot's computer brain is loaded with ancient Buddhist texts, and it can hold live conversations and give people life advice based on those teachings. Looks like ChatGPT is not enough at driving us crazy. Let's talk about YS Capital Group. The answer is, Kleegr, sorry, let's talk about Kleegr first. YS Capital Group I'll talk about afterwards, but Kleegr came up first, so let's talk about Kleegr. Kleegr is the place to go when, obviously, when you want to talk about your business, taking all the communication softwares that you have and pay subscriptions to, and obviously put them all in one inbox. That's Kleegr. And besides that, they also have a very, very advanced sales force that will change and transform how your business operates. Call them now. Go on to Kleegr.com. Okay, that's KLEEGR.com. All right, then YS Capital Group, the answer is always yes. If you want to borrow money, invest money, call them on 718-831-2168. We'll continue the news. 2 AI companies called Suno. Suno is a company that basically makes music. And Udio, UDIO, are trying to make peace with the music industry. The technology is amazing. You just type a few words into a computer. I myself use it. And in seconds, it creates a full professional sounding song with real singing and even instruments. But the major record labels were furious. They sued the startup, saying they stole millions of copyrighted songs to teach their computers how to make music without permission. Now the tech companies are trying to settle the lawsuits and join the industry legally. Let's talk about joining something legally. If you book a taxi and you don't know who you're booking, that's not legal because it's not trustworthy and it's dangerous. But what is legal is booking someone you trust. Arrive Express. 845-622-1111 or 845-254-1111. I haven't finished yet. Today in history, I decided to do the ads in the middle because we have a lot to cover. Okay, the outside today is of Reb Shmuel, Harav Agun, Reb Shmuel ben Harav Agun, Reb Shlomo Zalman Auerbach. I think it's the 7th year outside today. On February 26, 1993, a truck bomb built by Islamic extremists exploded on the parking garage of the North Tower of the New York's World Trade Center, killing 6 people and injuring more than 1,000 others. Listen to this. The bomb failed to topple the North Tower into the South Tower as the terrorists had hoped. They planned so. Both structures were destroyed in the 9/11 attack 8 years later, obviously. I guess then they did manage to do it, what they wanted to do. In 1952, Prime Minister Winston Churchill, also what happened today, announced that Britain had developed its own atomic bomb. Listen to this. Some people just never learn. Been tried and failed, and guess who's the fool? Tyler Oliveira. Yeah, exactly. People like him, haters like him, vloggers, YouTubers, uneducated YouTubers who try to educate the uneducated, obviously, which is an obvious disease in the social media world today, come here with their cameras and mics and try to spread hate towards the Jewish community in Monsey. And I found one of those guys, and I actually looked him up. He's writing an article, actually, about this. Yes, this weekend. I'm going to talk about him soon. I looked him up. He's busy much of his time being an activist. Also, I actually saw 2 pictures of him spending time with Putin and Khomeini, next to him, Elon Musk and Trump on one table. Unbelievable. You can never trust these people. You don't know who they are, even. Kidding. These last 2 pictures are made with AI. But just look with Pierre. Why not? We'll hear about this particular dude soon. Anyway, so basically, this Tyler Oliveira, this YouTuber, released another vlog, a video, where he tries so hard to frame the Jewish community as a fraud in Lakewood and in Muncie after the one he did in KJ. His main claim is that out of the 20 people that he happened to have met on the video, 3 of them admitted to being on welfare. And that means that all of the Yidden are on welfare now. So then he claims that if there is anti-Semitism, then there should also be anti-Goyism. Well, guess what? Guess what? We don't go to your community and try to catch you on non-existent crimes, and we don't harass you by vlogging and, showing the entire world how you behave. We don't do that. He tried so hard to catch someone doing something illegal, and this idiot couldn't even find one thing. Nothing. But he did sit down with 2 or 3 individuals who are obviously lonely and have nothing better to do with their lives, and people that have nothing better to do with their lives and are lonely find things to blame and people to blame. So, the first people they can blame are their neighbors, the Jewish community. And besides, Isaac son of Yaakov, so why not? Hate, why not? I want to touch on a few points here. First, he and these people claim, why should Americans have to pay? Why should he, as an American parent, have to pay for families of children, 6 children, 12, 14 children, with his taxpayer money? My answer to him is that we do not need his taxpayer money. We don't need his money. Don't need his money. Keep it. Our Jewish community is so successful, we contribute trillions of dollars to the taxpayer system in America that funds his Mishigassen as well. Yes, his services too. So yes, we and every single American have a right to have as many children as we want to have. You can also have as many children as you want to have. You don't have to if you don't want to, but we chose to because we have a Torah, and therefore when it comes to taking child credits and welfare for some families who actually need it, guess what? The money actually comes from us, from me. I pay taxes. From Jewish taxpayer money. He has no part in that, and yes, we learn in yeshivas, learn Torah, and abide by its laws. We contribute to the economy with so much more than he does. So much money comes in taxes from the Jewish community, from the innovations, the innovation that we have. The medical fields. Yes, the doctor that's going to save someone's life, someone he knows or whatever, if he's going to go to a doctor to do laser eye therapy or whatever it is, yes. We Jews, we yeshiva bocharim, in yeshiva invented so much. The iPhone, the Samsung that he holds in his hand, the Face ID, the safety, the fence on the world. So much technology, so many things that we invented. We invented our own economy. So yes, we are happy to contribute to America's treasury and help the economy for your sake, Tyler. Yes, you and the other haters out there should actually thank us. As for his claim about public schools shutting down, well, here's what I have to say about this. Well, it happens to have been that neighborhood, these particular neighborhoods, yes, Jews have come to live there. And why shouldn't we live there? You don't want us in America? Well, it's Constitution, it's our right. Religion, you can practice religion freely wherever you want. And you can't say, and people do segregate. Yes, a lot of communities do. Amish also do. Go live in Amish town, no problem. Why target the Jewish community? Right? So such a hypocrisy. He asks a Latino immigrant who is sustained by Yidden here and makes nice money, makes a ton of money. So probably from Jews, working for Jews, and taking everything, and then he says that the Jews are taking everything. Then he says, Jews are taking all my money away. And he puts that clip in the video. Seriously. You welcome other groups and other races and to take over communities, right? But when it comes to Yidden, that's not okay. We contribute most of the taxes in this community, so why shouldn't our taxpayer money go to our schools? And that makes a lot of sense. In fact, yes, we need infrastructure, we need schools, we need mikvahs, for our Torah, for our shuls, for studying, for Shabbos, Yom Tov. This is what we do. We need kosher food. No, we cannot go and buy non-kosher food. We can't just have a grocery for all. We can't have all these. We also have. People can come, but we have to have kosher, law-abiding groceries and takeouts and restaurants because we have our laws. And we cannot let our kids be influenced by your kids. So no, we can't sometimes assimilate. It doesn't work because you're not aligned with our Torah values. You didn't accept the Torah. You call us the chosen people. We chose, you didn't choose. Yes, you didn't choose. Go look back in history. You didn't choose, we chose. Tough luck. Look it up yourself. But no, thank you, Tyler. We don't need your money. On the contrary, you should be thanking us because if you have 12 kids, guess who's going to pay for it? Guess who will be funding them? Our taxpayer money. So anyway, this is what they are trying so hard to do, spin the edge on nothing concrete. But there was one true thing in the video that I actually liked. One of the haters with the blue shirt admitted to Tyler, saying on camera that Yidden always stick together and help each other out. He tried to make fun of Hatzalah. He pointed out Hatzalah there in the middle, he bombarded a Yid that had an accident with a car, in the snow, and Hatzalah came to his rescue and he made fun of Hatzalah there. Unbelievable. Pointed out the revenue and think, yes, Hatzalah does so much, he'll come and save your life as well. And they save so many people's lives, they come so much more faster, they help the communities, they help every single community, no matter who you are. You don't have to be Jewish to have the services that we offer. He pointed out that the rest of the world is always fighting always finding like this activist from before I showed you. But the bond between the Yidden cannot be broken. Never. Cannot be broken. And this is why the Yidden are so strong together, and this is why they're so successful. Yes, it's true. And you can also be successful if you stick together with your communities and don't find always other communities. The grass is always greener on the other side, or always, and in his eyes, always problems, always finding problems. Anyway, this local YouTuber was shocked to discover that Jews actually pay taxes and actually like each other. So yeah. On his first video in KJ, he also came into the neighborhood. And, obviously...
I'm sorry, sir. We have to close down this media. This is not a real, reliable media source. Listeners, you should not listen to this person. He's not reliable. We need to close this, shut this down. Non-reliable, fake news media. You reported all the criminal activity?
You have to relax.
You should not listen to this man. He is a liar and he's not reporting media.
Okay, so something. It's not.
Have you ever reported about a fraud in the Jewish community about the welfare, how you live on the taxpayers' dollars? Yes or no?
This is private property. First of all,
we're not going to discuss that. Audience, you should not listen to a person like this. You should know better. This person lies to you. Have you ever reported about the fake news?
This whole thing is fake news. What you're doing right now is fake news. You just walked into my news segment. I was in the middle of reporting.
Have you reported about the welfare crime of the Jewish community? It's a simple question.
The Somalian community you're talking about? Yes.
No, your Jewish community.
Everything reported is based on true facts and true sources.
Are you stealing money from the government, mister?
Are you referring to that?
I'm referring to you, Mr. Schwartz.
Hold on.
You steal money from our government.
Are you? I'm not. First of all, I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about the news that I'm reporting here.
Now I'm talking about you. You're part of this community, part of the stealing community.
We can have a conversation about myself, but are we reporting myself right now to the audience?
Are you reporting yourself? Or are you reporting anyone in the Jewish community that is stealing money? Are you reporting any of the fraud?
I'm reporting true facts and sourced information.
Gershy, ich weiß.
Wow.
Wat dit zeg? Pinchasleifer, wat dit zeg?
Pinchasleifer hat eine kleinere News für dich.
Ja, es ist eine News mit der ganzen Macherei. Mal schön. Komm mal an verlangen, wat dit zeg?
Der MS ist, gesungen der MS hast mich gemacht erschrocken. Ich habe das Feeling, etwas ist nicht richtig, du, weil du wirst dich herangelassen, dass man Ingenieur, das Studie,
ja.
Nein, hat mir gesagt, dass du einer will herankommen, will reisen, will ziehen, wie sag mal,
Justice Revelation, sure.
Sehen wir, ich mache nein, ganz kein Problem, aber die kommst da heran, mitten der Sturm, so Sachen gemeint. Wie ist das? Kennst du mir das ein bisschen mehr,
was ich gemeint? Ich hatte ein Artikel, lange getuckt durch Monsi. Ja. Es arbeitet noch von mordigen Artikels, da gewinnen alle Gäber sind da in heimische Communities.
Ja, Tyler mit der Lakewood Guy.
Das ist gut, umgesagt für die Oilem nicht rein. Insofern gewollt, den zu lernen, geht folgendes Kuhn. Und sie haben Hand gegangen mit der goische Photographer. Ich hätte in einem Video.
Also mit den News?
Ja, mit den News.
In der Oilem wird dich nicht gekannt?
It's a funny. Ich habe nicht weil ich kann da nicht gleich erkennen, weil das man gabt nicht als der was mir befällt, man will fragen questions, gabt dich nicht als mich. Ja. So, ja, der Kleegr auch. Aber das ist to the point. Williams am Klopfen mit groß Pachet. Das ist eins für jede 10.
Dangerous. Okay,
ich habe gehalten sich sehr rein. Warum ich habe das ein bisschen schrecklich wie ein mehr ein bisschen
ja, normal, so was du da schauen. Gib mir der erste Jid, was du gesagt, der erste Jid.
So, was denn? Ich habe das Square Jid, ich habe gefragt, für wie in Sommer Geld zu leben. Was heißt, man lebt nicht auf Welfare, das heißt, wie ist der Teil größer, ist also teuer. In Sommer so viele Kinder, aber ich habe einfach dann mehr geterrt. Sagte mir, we have something called Pai Samach.
Und man beten nicht.
Weil ich habe 2 Jiden leben hier, geht an der Beit. Die weiß, wer das ist, wir kennen ihm getrauen. Und ich das gespielt, ich kann missig was geht von mir. Ich war like, yeah, we're ready to roll, we're ready to start. Then they called up my mic and said, yeah, we're ready to, Mr. Schwartz, what do you believe? Are you ready for an interview right now? Ich habe so beginnen. Ich habe ein bisschen tiefer, nicht keine größere Changes.
Also thank you too, Kelly, wenn fragt.
Ja, weißt du, ich meine?
Das verstehst nicht Jiddisch. Aber es haben interessante Sachen auf deine Kinder. So das sagt Menschen, was meinen jetzt, als weiß man macht Häusig von der Kinder. Nein, es ist actually eine moeilijke Sache, was Pinchas zu tun. Weil bei ihm nennt zerbrecht Menschen auf Kleingeld. Weil diese die Sache, die Mutter geheißen etwas nicht stehen, und das ist getan. Aber was das der Media, wo es versteht dich nicht, in sei meinen sie verstehen dich, und später bringen sie auch seine Meinung auf dir. Redt sie Menschen wie uns, redt sie Menschen wie Pinchas actually. Weil wir uns verstehen wir dich, verstehst? Sei verstehen dich nicht, sie können translate und sagen, anders verstehen ich kann sie verstehen nicht, wie die Kims finden, von was Geist da strammel, von sei sitzt so selbst am Mistkasten auf dem Kopf. Verstehst?
So Kol, ja, so der was gesagt Tampenetches, lass mal ein bisschen eigens gesagt.
Tampenetches ist der Mensch, okay, ja. Du verstehst dem nicht,
Tampenetches, this guy, how you doing?
Nice to meet you, Tom.
Yeah, of course.
You want Bruder sein, okay,
so it's nur pur Geluk. So Kol, ich kann mir nicht verkaufen, ich bin pro the community.
Okay, sure.
That I'm gonna defend the community. I've seen all the anti-Semitism going around, and I'm really against it. I can't stand it, and I'm here to shine a light on all the good parts about the community. This is the was ich
Menschen fragen, wie du kommst?
Ja, warte, ja.
Was du gesagt?
Oklahoma.
Oklahoma, Amerikaner Oklahomische?
Nein, Amerikaner, als fragt Amerikaner, gewoon interessant ist, als ich frage von Menschen.
Ja.
Als ich suche sie, als ich bin gegangen, sie gefragt sich, kann ich mir geil sein? Jeder hat mir gesagt, nein. Und ich frage sie, weil ich nicht kann Wasser, die Jiddischkeit ist eine rassistische Religion. Ich hatte einer, und ich echt nicht gewiss, was zu für. Was ich kann sagen, weißt du, eigentlich die ganze Sache, es du in der Woche die Schrift, und so haben wir das gierig zu erleigen, die ganze Sache zu schreiben, ein herrlichen Artikel, Kuvat Piram. Und ja, ich mein, als weiter umgehen mit der Reporting, ich habe lieb die neue Wand.
Was ist die neue Wand? Die hat es nicht sehr stark.
Ja, ich habe eine größere Husset.
Meinst, kick auf den Artikel, kick auf es. Was hast du? Das ist nicht. Das ist nicht, ich bin gelesen. Ich sage gut. Es war aber gemacht, der ganze Conversation. Der ganze Fake gelesen. Der Conversation gibt ich lang schon an. Das ist nicht gechillig, was tracht. Jetzt ga ich schon. So, ich hätte sagen von die kannst tracht mit die willst. Der Point ist, ich habe es herangebracht, ich muss gewollt proben zu dich, als es Pinchas live für Kleingeld. Es ist hin ist an Sprache, wie das der Gap was actually aims. Nicht kein anderer Mensch, okay? So, the point is, als es haben du mitgebracht mit sich Photographers, mit Vloggers, mit Sachen, Menschen gezittert, wenn die Gas.
So, ich habe danach, ich habe noch mehr. So, beschaßen laufen. Ich kann sagen, wenn ich meine halt 2 Strahlen wachsen hätte, dann I'm like, Sir, me go, läuft zu sagen, Kar, schmillig so, du einer, ich such dir echt, ich kann ein älterer Jid, wenn ich bin gegangen zu, never have all days, and and who are you? Kijk maar hoe dat zo is.
Ze gezegd, ga je spelen verslijven?
Nee. Tampanetjes. Weißt du was Panetjes?
Nee, was Panetjes? Tampanetjes, wie kunt er aan taam, dat taam aan het klein gaat, oké, nee.
Ja, vreeg me op.
Oké, Panetjes.
En het ongeveer wil zeggen, die in de Brabant is, trouwens een ältere idee. Nee, me ken ich, als Kuhne met hem, ga je naar veel gezien, een gewisse organisatie, was dat schoenen maar in de parking laat. En in zo'n zeggen, sterk wel deze.
So Janka Makkes?
Buchshem nicht.
So,
so, whatever, ze gaan ook gezegd, ze gaan maar weil du sich schreckliche Kostüm, halt sich bleiben mit dem?
Ich halt es bleiben mit dem. Das kommt in das Trung eine große Chain, so stehen auf dem Tam Panetjes, in Panetjes auf geschrieben mit der Pintlich von Pinchas.
Ich hatte so gesagt, ich habe ein größer Issue mit der Sache. Der News ist ein riesiges Stück von, was uns Rieder der Moischi Greenfeld darauf gelegt hat. Ich arbeite über 2 Schuhe. Über 2 Schuhe gearbeitet von der News. Mit der ganzen Mappeiche. Viele der Handmann.
Er hat gelegt auf der Hand.
Er hat gelegt, das nice, smooth, jetzt so match in the face. Mit der ganzen Moischi-Seier. Ja, die kannst du, weiß ich kannst das, aber ich habe jetzt mal Peis und mir Glue darauf. So ein paar Schäfer raushelfen, weil das ist der Glue.
So jeder soll wissen, als Punum Chadushes ist available, wenn du willst dich tauschen von deinem Business oder etwas wie, du willst mal ein Meeting, du willst dich impressen von einem, du willst aussehen wie nicht dich, kannst du mit der Business, kannst du ganze Punum Chadushes kennen. Die Make-Videos kommen herrlich mit Grund, ich habe den Zusammenstellung zwischen dem Weg und den Gläsers ist noch mal ungeworden, Eulen mit einem Klopf nach dem Massen, das kann so übertrieben drüber, Eulen mit nicht Gott, man macht Arbeit sehr schwer. Aber ich verstehe dann, ich hoffe, der Eulen wird verstehen, wo es Pinchas hat gewollt mit dem. In ob einer Tanis soll er nachschicken ein Complaint zu ihm.
Sie the secretary. Compliments kann man schicken zu mir. Complaints hat man mal secretary's number. Sie jetzt nicht in office.
Ich wollte sagen, besonders, aber ich wollte sagen, als ob einer Compliment soll an mir sagen. Der Point ist, als ja, ich will noch mal Masbezahn an Kinder, ich habe sehr lieb, sie Masbezahn von oben auf. Als diese Zeit getan hatte ich sehr wichtig gesagt, verhandige Zeiten, weil ob mit dit was mit dit, mir geht raus in Gassen, mir redet sie stammfremde Menschen. Le Mann Hashem, man hat ausgelernt als Kind, red nicht sich an Strangers. Verstehst?
Ich darf sagen, es gewesen Menschen, die sich weggestellt haben, like, wow, weißt du, die Kosher, was man heißt. Menschen, wo sie weißen, I guess English ist ihre erste Sprache, so man echte geschliffen am Englisch. Ich habe geht geämpft zu, solche Menschen und solche, die gekehrt haben, echt, das. So ein Mensch, was weiß, das ist Number One, le Muschel, einer, was, Number One, einer weiß, das auch hat echte gedenkt. Das ist first and foremost. Ich reden in public, verschämen nicht dem Eulam, aber geht in Englisch. So das ist eine wichtige Sache. Noch dem, du bist auch ein Kleegr in der Hals, du kannst einfach nicht schaden. Again, ich suche nicht, als Demos soll man das ja tun, aber Demos, der Mensch kann ich verstehen, was das getan, weil ein größer Teil von dem, was man ins Jahr geämpft, haben gerät der geht Englisch, und haben geht geämpft. Like, Kind auch gefragt, der Mann, dass mit den Panetjes.
Dabei sei, mit dem hat sich ein freilichen Pyramale, aber du gehad Tam Panetjes, da Ante Smith, in Pinchas Live für ein Kleingeld hat mal angelost. In alle Stein weer. In alle Stein du on edge, weiß ich wie zu Stein, aber mit dem was
hat slug gesagt der Schmeier. Ja. Hier wollen so das gesucht wie gar keine
durch Taiwas, Tia Luni in der helfen, soll sein mit der Sache sluche.
Keine what now? Schein. Wenn du nicht lernen.
Adela Juda, los up next, bye.
Halt mit der wichtigen Neues von Tag jeden Tag on Edge. Sie gestellt sie durch Yiddish24, der einzigste kuschelste Plattform von Neues auf dem Webseite oder auf Net. Für Feedback und Ad-Placement geht darauf auf onedgenews.com oder E-Mails mich auf onedgenews@gmail.com oder calls 845-671-1775. Für Sie das Neues bleibt informiert und bleibt on Edge.